Hey Artland, how's it going? So recently, a very talented artist that I know introduced me to these new characters called the Heroes of GOO JIT ZU. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw some of them, and I want to start out with one of the main characters, and that is BLAZAGON. So to start off with him, we're going to begin with the face. So starting right about here, I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of goes down, then it's going to go up and then down again. Then I want to leave some space and I want to do that same thing, go down, up, and then down again for the eyebrows. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve to here. And then same thing, just kind of curve it right up to there. Now right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve down. And another one's just going to kind of go up and curve down for the nostrils. And then I just want to make a little line that just kind of curves right around the top. Now, starting up here by the eye, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this side, just kind of bring it down. And then I'm just going to connect them like this. Now, for the mouth, I want to start on here, not at the edge here, but right inside a little bit. And I'm just going to make a line down here, and then a line right down here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of curves up and then comes down and connects. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves around and comes down. Another one that just kind of curves around and comes down. Then right here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to come around. You can see it's really skinny here and a lot fatter out here. So same thing, kind of keep it skinny and then make it a lot bigger over here. Then I'm going to draw just a little line on each side. And then I'm going to put a big V shape right in here. And then I'm going to make a big kind of pointy triangle right on top. Now, starting down here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around and it's going to come up like this. And then I'm just going to add a little curved line right there. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that curves up and then it's just going to come down here by the eye. Same thing here, kind of curve it up and then bring it right down towards the eye. I'm going to draw a smaller one kind of right here, so I'm just going to kind of go out and then kind of curve it in. And then I'm going to make a little bigger one here, go out and bring it in. Go out and then kind of bring it in. Now for the teeth, I'm just going to make a little zigzag pattern line that just goes from one side all the way to the other. Now starting here, I'm just going to draw two little lines that go down. Then I'm going to just kind of make a line that's just going to go up and then down. Same thing here, up and then down. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve up. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of curve this line up. Now right here, we want to start on their hands, and their hands are really big. So I'm going to start right here, and you want to start by making a line that's going to kind of curve up. It's going to come around and then curve back like this, almost like you're making kind of like an upside down G. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of curve up here. It's going to go around and then kind of curve like this. Then I'm just going to start here and bring a little line down. Right here I'm going to kind of do the same thing, maybe make it a little taller, kind of curve it around. And then draw a little line down. And then starting lower, I'm going to make a little line that curves around and then bring the line down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it to here and add a little line right there. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and then it's just going to come up like this. And then I'm going to add 3 little spikes on the end here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make this hand like a fist. So I'm going to start by making a little line that's going to kind of curve up here and come around. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve around. It's going to go down, and it's going to come right to there. So it looks like that finger is kind of closed up. Next, you want to do the same thing here. And then just start one more right here. Go down and then curve it so it looks like a fist. Then just bring your line up to here. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to curve down, kind of line it up best you can, and then just curve it up. Then you can come in here and add your 3 little spikes on his arm. Next, we want to draw the body. So I'm going to start here, and just to keep it simple, I'm going to just make a little line that's going to go in like this, and then another one right here that does the same thing. Then I'm just going to connect them with a little curve. Next, right here, I'm going to add a little line that kind of curves around. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, and then it's just going to kind of curve like this. And same thing here, down, that's just going to kind of curve down. Now for the feet, I'm going to make a little line that goes over and then in. And then another one that goes down and in. And then one more here, down and in. Then I'm going to kind of bring this in, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it up to here. So same thing right here, I'm going to go out and then in. Same thing, just down a little farther and in. One more right here, down and in. I'm going to bring it in here and then just kind of curve it up. Then I'm just going to draw a little line right across here. Next, right here, I'm going to add a curved line and then another one here for shorts. And then another curved line here and then one right here. Then I'm just going to take this line and kind of curve it down. Same thing here, and then one right there, just to kind of show that his feet are wrapped up. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, kind of curve this down, this one, and this one. Then right here, I'm just going to add a couple little curved lines, just to give it a little bit of detail. Next, what we want to do is we want to draw all his muscles on here. So the easiest way to do that is I'm just going to start here and draw a little line that curves up, and then another one that curves up here. Then I'm going to draw a line that curves in, and then another one that's going to curve in a little bit there. Make a little line that goes up and down, and another one here that goes up and down. and then you can just kind of have them meet right in the middle. Then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a straight line down, and then I'm going to put a big curve right here, and then a little smaller one right there. Now, the last thing we want to do is we want to add the little pupils in his eye. So I'm just going to add a little black oval inside each one and then just fill it in, or half an oval, then just colored in black. Next, what we want to do is we want to add his tail. So I'm going to start here, just make a line that kind of curves out, up, and then comes back like this. Then just add a few little triangles onto it for some spikes. And then we want to put his little logo over here. So it's just a small circle on his shorts, and then it's got a little paw print in there. So you want to kind of make almost like a little upside down U shape for the base. And then you just want to put 4 little dots on there for the little paw, or little toes. And then there's like almost kind of like a paint splatter effect on here. So I'm just kind of adding a couple little extra bumps and dots on here. And if you want to make the claws kind of sharp, go ahead. And there you go. There is your drawing of Blazagon from the Heroes of GOO JIT ZU. Now, if you guys like these and want to see some more characters, please let me know. I had some fun drawing him, so I'd love to try some different ones out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.